How to see Roblox password. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So if you have forgotten your Roblox password, even though you have already logged in, if you tapped on settings from the Roblox website or the app itself as well, you're not going to find the password anywhere here. So here you can see the password option is here. If you tap on the edit button, it says insufficient fund. So you're not actually able to find the password here or see the password here. So if you want to see it, then you need to open up your settings. From here, you want to find Google Services or Google. Then you want to tap on Manage Your Google account. Now head over to Security. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Password Manager. Then among all of these apps, you want to select Roblox. So from here, you can find your username and your password. To reveal your password, you simply have to tap on the I button, and from there, you will be able to find your Roblox password. You can tap on this copy icon to copy your password as well. So in this way, you can see your Roblox password, but this only works if you have saved your Roblox password previously in your Google account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.